Tell her.
Hold on a minute, bro. Hold on a minute, again. Guys. I need me have some Anna. Let's say one Anna, Mr. Dash short. Guys, I may attack my
Everybody go
business.
over there, gonna give
With
body good
Auntie, Mr.
honor. Please go
Something.
over there. Everybody go over there
Destiny
to
did
give
not
body
work
good
with
honor.
that. Destiny, thank you so much, honey. Thank you so much. Is if you come to me with them something there, you see, let me, all right, I'm going to do it. So, cause some people just fast sometime and they want to know my business. Destiny says something to you, girl. Me would love you, world without, and after you mention to me, body good for fuck you, the love done. I love you 1,900 and much percent after you mention me to fuck you, it done. Yes, Candice, let me say something clear now. I'm going to say, guys, I need to see some art out because it's my business. I live in the ghetto and I am talking things seriously and everything is very serious. I used to help a guy named Ray sell sweetie, a Spanish town. Ray can all the walk. Ray, he was live Tivoli. Ray can all the walk. Ray can all the things for himself. So, as me love sorry for people, so I decided to go help Ray sell. We go out there one day where somebody could go buy 6 Magnum and 6 Guineas. So me I wonder what Ray want 6 Magnum, but me never question it. Me head out, me go buy the 6 pack Magnum, me go buy the 6 pack Guinness. Thank you so much for the honours.
Guys, go over there
And
to give
Ray,
my honor. Please. Guys, go over there to give my honor. Yeah.
and Ray tell me if we go get the weed out of the upper and then we go 1 yard in a central village. I've never go there before, Destiny. And I went there with Ray. I see a nice, fabulous boy come out.
I can't put it, guys.
You hear me?
Yeah, hear you. I can't, it's sticker now work because true with upon the match. That's why. I try to put it, but it now work. 21 and older.
See a nice, fabulous. I see a fabulous boy come out. I say we are all that, but we no reply. Anyway, we come out and we take out this Guinness and we take out the Magnum away. When I heading at the house, I can't see nobody.
Moderator. Pin it, guys. We care who want blood clot official match. Hey, girl, go suck your mother and come up for this blood clot, yeah. You're so festive. Go near out your mother. Body good. We are here, baby.
Okay. So I can't see nobody. Me heading at the house with the rain. I can't hear voice. I don't know how much man in the house. So now I set tea in the living room. So the guy called Ray and Ray got in our room with the guy. So Ray come out and said somebody called me. So me, you know me, see people and me see person me got head in. Anyway, me go to the house. Me see one boy to cut the something and rest on the dresser. Him not say good night. Him not say how are you doing. Pussy, take off your clothes. The only thing me could have say your brighty. When me look, we get one big power. We call them pump the body blow thump right in my belly. And the fastest I ever take off my clothes. Thank you so caramel.
Everybody go over there
I
to give
take off
body
my
good
clothes,
honor.
Destiny, and
Yeah.
I take off my clothes and the boy start pouring out the meats. Destiny, the first pound me get to that is about 119. And him pound and him pound and him pound and him pound. Me not gonna lie, him don't even know how to make it feel come wet on him. So the boy is a big yam. Anyway, the child bust off and she come. Me say thank you Jesus the person come.
I
But
know
him say
him
do
come.
not put on your clothes.
I know him come.
Candy, everything shoot out up in the guts. Destiny, how did that fuck box there?
Yeah.
Destiny, yes, Destiny, right in the system. Him say do not on your clothes, mouth.
Let me hear man sister.
Him say okay.
Come guys, they're gonna to
Him go
give.
out
Stop
with
up the
them.
line. They're gonna to give.
Him go out with the clothes them Destiny. Guys, man, I must have met people must have come out to them and ask them. And so nobody I will not to ask them.
Guys, go
Ah,
over
man,
there.
them
Ask
come
story.
up. Ah, come up in there,
Over
man.
there.
Anyway, Destiny, when I look, I see one number 2 come. Different material come.
Thanks to them.
And the other person come and starts. Destiny, I'm tired. And the other person now dig and I dig the young man dig up the ground, dig up the ground. But it never take long. So me know things everything done and over with. Me scared him go out there and get me one another boy. Come in like about 9.5 hours.
And the one they come in here, hold on there. The next
God,
one,
Mr. God?
hold on.
No.
Very good. The next one they broke in here too.
When if every one of them I talk about them broke destiny.
So what are them broken
Can the number 2 come, number 3 come, number 2 come, number 3 come and then mash it. The number 3 come and number 2 come, then mash it up Candy and Destiny. Me not have no strength. Night.
And when you think it done,
Destiny.
and when you think it done, one more again.
Destiny, me not have no strength in my body. Me weak. When me look number 4 come in, me say me dead now. Me dead now. Me dead. I will get that.
Body good.
I will get that something there.
Body good. Body
I will
good.
get the lion something like that.
I must you. And you get it.
Thank you so much for that. Me say Destiny, me dead. Me not have no strength in my foot. Them me can't feel my foot. Them and number 4 been and twist up saying like wow, hooking out your arm, Destiny. Destiny. Me weak. Number 4 I'm digging on. Destiny number 4 I dig him. And it take a look a while in a mama. So number 4 come and number 4 mash up and shoot up again in another well Destiny. Meeting said Destiny close no. Number 5 come Destiny.
What? No man, they abuse the man.
Destiny number 5 come.
Well on, Jacob. Well, number 5. Number 5 do. When number 5, well on. When number 5 tell you to pack up and go home now.
Well, I know number 5 come and put my pan my back now. You have to put them up suck you, but you don't have no feelings. And number 5 come fuck out the latitude now, number 5. One nice material enough Destiny. Me beg God forgiveness. Same time Wax and Canal come when number 5 coming up. You know Wax and Canal Destiny?
Yes. It happened to me too. When you fuck and when you would reach certain part, Wax and Canada take care of your
We say the 2 side them Destiny have Wax and Canal. Me can't move. But number 6 have a little mercy for me. Number 6 is never turn.
Number 6. Well on there. When number 6 do tell her for go home.
No, him take him time and work. He never dig out yam as well. They dig up the yam. And tell me say, they say nothing on the ground.
But he could have done with the another bottom.
And you know, say people, I mean, if I let them at them, then tell me say, I'm not the same way.
No, sir. You can't have none left.
Anyway, Destiny, we think everything done. Destiny, number 5, number 2, but him just taking time. Him hardly even go there. Him go there, but thanks for that. Him hardly even go there. But him go there. What we think say everything done in a desk.
You make everyone
Thank you for that. No, let's go. But anyway, say Destiny. If you want to do what?
If you want to come in you.
You're there. Everybody. Thanks for that.
Everybody. Run out. Where do run out?
Like how we down the way, nothing at the house. When we on the road. Destiny, when we think say everything done and over with, Destiny.
Oh no.
Then replay back the match again, Destiny. Destiny then replay back the match for me again all over. So I couldn't do nothing more than just work with the team.
Fuck you again?
Yeah, 6 times. All over, saying all Destiny for the one night at 12 round.
And you not come? You not come?
No, that's how I mash up candy. That never put me in mind. Destiny me reach a man. Destiny me to scam. Destiny me to scam somebody from Montego Bay. My name Nadia. I'm a scam them from Montego Bay. And when the person come, rob again, rob somebody.
Trick them.
All right, I'm going to trick them, Destiny, from Montego Bay. Me get money from them. So I realize I'm not going to go on. So I said to the person, say, I am not 100% the real woman where you want. So I say, what you mean? I say, I wasn't born 100% a woman. The boy black me, him unbar me, black me, him unbar me. Me like an idiot now when him unbar me, can't go show me. Destiny go show me. Women no want to see. I want to see.
Dude.
No, my love. They go show me that.
Dude.
Me like an idiot. Destiny me end up reach. Then time for come a man to go be and end up reach. Me not have the money in the one bus fare me have Destiny. No,
people top up your life. People top up your life. Send 2 rows, send 2 gifts, please.
You don't send me to have them the time the Destiny. So me end up reach. I dump up. Me end up reach a dump up beach, my love, and a man to go be. Well, I'm like that door, yeah. Well,
Everybody, please WhatsApp the live. Just stop up my face, guys. Everybody, just stop up my face. Stop up my face, guys. Everybody, please tap up my face, guys. Give us to 200,000, please. No, stop choking stuff.
Where's the nobody go?
Me like a big dopey back now, end up reaching them up a dump up.
But tap, come guys. Power tap.
Guys,
power tap.
We want to for me, guys. We want for me, guys. Destiny me like an idiot now. Reach the day. The person one thugs in our Destiny coming on, mama. Thank you, guys. Come on. We're gonna meet the person. When we reach in a flanker in a Destiny. You know flanker Destiny?
How much me the hot girl?
Family flanker, yeah.
Thank you, you. And I preach in a flanker. Me know I will for my vice now. Yo, Evelyn, the man upon yo. Me here?
Not you. Do what you do, yeah.
Thank you, guys so much. Destiny. Me did it. The man say, yo, talk like how you normally talk. So me not understand. Anyway, me like